friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited to share with you guys how I'm gonna be doing my passion twist. So here is a plot twist. I am not gonna be doing any crochets, I'm not gonna be doing any cornrows, I'm not gonna be doing any of that extra stuff. I am just gonna be doing them directly on my hair. So how are we gonna do this? First of all, I am just gonna show you guys quickly the passion twist that I'm gonna be using today. I have this one, Expression. The color that I'm gonna be using is 2T1B350. I hope you guys can see. And actually I'm gonna be having 3 colors. They are 20 inches long and they are 18 strands in each pack. So that's one color. The other color that I'm gonna be using is this one, 1B. And then the other color is gonna be this one, 2T1B425. I already did one, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do another one so that you guys can see exactly how we are gonna be doing this. La la la. Oh. I hate my light. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna do it at the front so that you guys can see better. So I'm just gonna divide a line right there.
And then I'm just gonna try and make sure that I have gotten the extra ones out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and divide a section.
So there we go. That's my section. I'm just gonna go ahead and put away this back section like that so that it doesn't keep on coming in the way. So here is an individual passion twist. As you guys can see, it's already pre-twisted and it has a loop thing at the beginning. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna grab my section of hair that I've already divided, and then I am gonna go ahead and insert this section into this loop. And you can use gel if you want to. I'm not exactly the biggest fan of gels, so but if you want to, you can do that. So we're simply just gonna insert my hair into that loop like that, and then once that is done, I am gonna divide my hair into 2 sections, and then I am just gonna go ahead and braid normally, the way you braid your hair, the way you divide your hair into 3 sections and braid. So you're gonna divide your hair into 2 sections, and then your other 3rd section for braiding is gonna be the passion twist. So there's my one section of hair, there's my other section, and then as I said, my passion twist is gonna be my 3rd section, and then I am just gonna go ahead and start braiding the way I braid my hair normally. So like that. I am just gonna keep going. But we are not gonna braid it all the way till the end, so I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna do towards the end. So that's what I have. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that section, and then I am gonna grab my passion twist. So I am gonna open it like that, and then I am just gonna go ahead and grab my hair, and I am gonna go ahead and twist it in there, in the direction of the passion twist. And as you guys can see, that section is done like that. So I am just gonna go ahead and do this again so that you guys can see. I am gonna divide my hair into another section. I am gonna go ahead and grab my passion twist again like that, and then I am gonna go ahead and open it up like that. I am gonna go ahead and grab my hair section. I'm gonna comb it a little because kind of feels rough. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and insert my hair into that section. And then one thing I'm gonna advise you guys is try to take like kind of thick sections of hair so that it kind of matches the thickness of the passion twist. I just feel like that kind of makes it easy. So yeah, so just go ahead and do that, and then divide the hair section into two like that, into two sections, and then the passion twist is gonna be the third section, and then we are just gonna go ahead and braid. And as I told you, you can use gel if you want, but I am not a fan of gel. So I like this because I feel like taking them down is not gonna be that hard, because I have seen other methods which are really good, but when I think about the taking down process, I am just exhausted. So we are gonna grab that section since I'm heading towards the end of my hair, and then I am gonna untwist the passion twist. Untwist the passion twist. I am gonna untwist it, and then what I'm gonna do is I am gonna try and twist it inside the passion twist like that. And as you guys can see, that section is done. Okay, so I am just gonna keep on doing the same thing throughout my head.
It's fine, so well.
After the struggle, I am finally done. I even put up some decorations on the passion twists. So yeah, I really tried my best to explain, guys. I know I'm not the best, but I tried. So if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a like. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much. Bye. Stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.